Inspired by this Austrian painter Gustav Klimt, we're going to create a symbolic tree using toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, or cardboards. Whatever type of paper you have available will be used to create this tree, a symbolic tree, by applying our art elements and principles, lines, shapes, pattern, variety, and unity. If we look closely at Gustav Klimt Tree of Life, we can see how he applies these elements and principles in a variety of ways. We see lines going in all different directions, changing their form. The vines of the tree become swirls that are symbolic of that expansiveness, the continuation of life. We see different shapes. We see circular shapes. We see triangular shapes, which can also be symbolic of other things. And at a closer look, we see a person in one side looking on and another couple at the other side hugging each other. It's a very rich and symbolic painting that connects different worlds together, the world above the earth, the world below the earth, and on the earth itself. On our tree, we are going to use whatever materials we have at home, as that might be limited, and create the best piece we ever can. So, inspired by Gustav Klimt, we're going to create a sculpture, a three-dimensional form that we can view in all different directions. The first thing is to take the paper towel roll, secure it firmly in place with tape on a paper plate or any other surface you have. Then cut out these crescent shapes, which you're going to twirl to create that swirl-like shape and place all around the trunk. You will repeat this in many different directions. You'll create all different sizes, some thin ones, some thicker ones, maybe some squares, some triangles. And the first thing is to take a large piece, secure it firmly inside a paper towel roll, use tape to secure the edges, turn the tape so it's double-sided tape, so you'll have it taped on both sides. And then keep adding different swirls on top of each other. Keep layering over and over. It's a good technique to go from large to small, have the larger swirls at the bottom for support and then the smaller ones on the top. And keep turning them, keep decorating your tree however you wish, whatever comes to your mind. Expand your creativity. Let your imagination flow. Do not judge your work. Even if you have to let the tape show. There's a saying that beauty lies beyond the surface. So why hide that which supports? Feel free to add additional elements onto your tree. I've added grains on the bottom of the tree trunk as an element of new beginnings, of growth. You too can be creative like that by choosing to add additional things that were not required, and enjoy being innovative, being creative, and create the best tree you possibly can, and send me a picture. Thank you.